Thank you for your purchase of the SEGG 3672 PS platform. Once you've opened and removed the platform and hardware from the box, you'll see that the platform comes with 2 metal mesh platform pieces, 2 side angle iron pieces, 8 sets of 2-inch bolts, nuts, and washers for attaching the side angle iron pieces, 4 2 3/4-inch bolt, nut, and washer sets for attaching the 2 metal mesh platform pieces together, 4 eye bolts that attach in each corner of the platform to hook the cables to, and 2 platform cables. Before you get started, make sure you have the right tools. You'll need a 9/16 socket or wrench. To start, line up the holes of the 2 metal mesh platform pieces and bolt together using the bolts, nuts, and washers provided. Next, attach the 2 side angle iron pieces using the bolts, nuts, and washers provided, making sure that all bolts are from the outside in, so the outer edges have a nice finished look. Once completed, attach the 4 corner eye bolts provided and ensure all 4 eye bolts are tightened securely. Take another look at your platform. Ensure that all bolts, nuts, and washers are tightened securely. The final assembly steps are: attach each carabiner to the eye bolts on the 4 corners of the platform. Attach the metal O-ring cables to the metal cable hooks of the motorized system. During your first lift of the platform, ensure that the cable spools correctly and doesn't overlap until it goes to the end of the cable spool, back and forth. Enjoy the space you saved with your new Garage Gator storage platform.